All right, you did your first round of flowing. You should have a column filled up. If you got this much of your column filled up, that's fine. As long as you did your best and you kept going through the entire song, cool. If you found that you got this much, but you kind of stopped for half of the song, then next time you need to keep going through the whole song, even if it gets tough and difficult. If you got this much, sweet. If you got the whole column, awesome job. Don't feel like if you only got half or a quarter that you're falling behind, because you're not. We're all learning a new skill, and you're going to get multiple tips. And depending on the tip, that might shorten as much as you can write, or that might help you to write more. But your goal each time you do a new song is to add a little bit more. So if you got this much, next time try to get this much. If you got half a page, maybe try to get 3/4 of a page. If you got the full column, try to keep getting the full column again. So for this next tip, you're going to go to the next column. And this next tip, you can either do that tip by itself, or you can do the 2 other tips you learned already plus the new tip, or you can choose one of the tips you did already plus the new tip. So it's all about figuring out what you can handle and going from there. So if you can only handle trying 1 tip at a time, that's fine. But you need to listen to what you can do, and you need to push yourself. So if you can handle 1 tip, then you should be doing 2. If you think you can handle those 2 tips from this last video, you need to add a 3rd one and try to do all 3. So if you do that and it shortens how much you can write, that's okay, because you're challenging yourself to do more tips. All right, let's learn the next tip.